Personal family history. My brother died of leukemia when he was 21 and I was 23. And I would say at that time we were both medical students and I didn't want to do anything with cancer. And during my residency at Cornell, one of my first rotations was on the leukemia floor, and I experienced quite a trauma to relive young people like my brother who were dying with relapsed leukemia and similar disease. So one day I woke up and I decided that I would dedicate my life to the treatment of this disease and try to find novel methods and techniques to better treat this major scourge. I recently learned that in 1993 the V Foundation was established, and 1993 resonates for me. I was diagnosed recently with a rare disease called hairy cell leukemia that until 1993 would kill everyone within 4 years. But in 1993, the FDA approved a new drug named cladribine, which was developed by a researcher in California. And this drug changed the game. It made a deadly disease a treatable disease, and now the majority of patients with this disease, like me, will live a normal life, will be treated only once, and will never need to be retreated. This is a game-changing treatment. This is a rare disease. That's the way cancer has progressed, through incremental progress for different type of disease. Childhood leukemia was one of the first disease that became so easily treated. At Wake Forest, we have a hero, Brian Piccolo, who died of germ cell tumor, testicular tumor. Well, 20 years later, Lance Armstrong had the same disease with brain metastasis and was cured, showing what the progress of cancer research has brought up. Major milestone. People that would have died 20 years ago are now alive and kicking. So that's why the Victory Ride and the V Foundation play such a central role for the future of the treatment of cancer. Cancer is a very common disease. Every other man and every third woman will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime. So this is a disease we need to live with, and we need to learn how to treat, live with, or cure. And I think there is such a variety of cancer type, more than 250 types, that we cannot put them in the same group. Some cancers are easily treated, some are easily prevented, and some are still very difficult to either prevent or treat. So I think we want to focus on the major type of cancer diseases that are still causing a lot of death and morbidity, and try to focus on that. And I think the history of the past 20, 30 years shows us that we can do that. We just need more efforts, more people, and more money. So this is why the Victory Ride is so important. We ride for victory over cancer.